Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my favorite videos that I love to film every single season, and these are my FabFitFun videos where I do an unboxing for you guys and show you guys everything that I got. So today I'm going to be unboxing FabFitFun's Summer 2021 box, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I ended up getting. I got a lot of really cool items as always that I love to use in my everyday routine. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box and it's filled with beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. It's available in the US, Canada, and UK if you live in any of those countries, and members can customize their box to fit their lifestyle, which I really appreciate because I know there's some subscription boxes where you can't customize, you know, any of your items at all, and you end up getting things that you're just never going to use. So what I love about FabFitFun is that if you are a member, you can customize your items, and the cool thing is that if you're an annual member now, you can customize your whole entire box, which I think is phenomenal. And for seasonal members, you now have one more option that you can customize as well, which is really cool. So they're allowing a lot more customizations now for your boxes, which I really enjoy. I love choosing stuff out every single season. That's like one of my favorite parts. Also, another thing that I really enjoy as well is that it is an amazing value. So some of the items that you get in your box are actually worth more than what you pay for the entire box itself. A lot of the items are, which is really crazy. So you're getting such a great value and you're getting full-size products. And this box is in partnership with Make-A-Wish, which I think is great. Every single season they partner with a different charity or foundation, and it's Make-A-Wish for this season. So if you guys are interested in a FabFitFun box, I do have a discount code, which is boutique, where you can get a discount off of your box. I believe it's $10 off. And yeah, so I'll have that down below and on the screen here. All right guys, I've been babbling, so why don't we jump on into the items. So this is the box that I got. Super cute. And if you open it up, this is what I have inside. So the first product that I got was the PMD Clean. I put it back in its box so you guys can kind of see what it looks like, but it's in this really pretty teal color. And this is what it looks like. I've been using it for the past few days and it's really, really cool. It has different pulse settings on it to clean and tone your face. So you just click this little button here, and as you can see, it starts vibrating. You can put it on like faster or slower settings, and then it also does little pulses as well. So there's tons of different settings that you can use this for. So the cool thing about this is it has about 7,000 vibrations per minute. So it really gets in your skin and really helps tone and cleanse your skin. And the thing that really drew me to this product in specific was I've been wanting one of these for a while. I felt like the brush heads, like the Clarisonics and stuff like that, kind of got dirty really easily, and this one's really nice. It's just one single tool, super easy, it's super tiny, and it's easy to clean too, which I really appreciate because I feel like brush heads, they just get gross really quick and you have to keep replacing the heads on them. So this is just one tool, super easy. So as you can see, it's like a silicone material, and I just use this with whatever cleanser I'm using at the time. I kind of switch between cleansers, so you can kind of use whatever cleanser you want, put it on here, and then obviously do circular motions on your face. And it's really gentle on my skin, which I appreciate as well, because sometimes I feel like brushes can be super rough. So I like that this one is super gentle, and it also gives a really good deep cleanse. So this product was very exciting for me to get. All right, so the next product I got is a traveling jewelry case, and this is from the brand Melon, and it looks like this. I put, again, the packaging back on it, but it's so cute. So I've been traveling a lot to friends' houses and stuff like that over the weekends, and I'm gonna be traveling more once I'm vaccinated. So I really wanted a travel case because I feel like I'm gonna be going on like a lot of weekend trips this summer and stuff like that. So I don't actually have a jewelry case for my jewelry when I travel. I put it in like little plastic baggies, and honestly, I don't really like that because I would always end up like getting my necklaces tangled, or it just never worked out good. So this print is so cute. It's a nice, fun, like summer print, and when you open this, it has tons of different little containers here. So you can actually pull this mirror part out and you can put more jewelry behind here, and then there's also little cases where you can put rings and earrings and things like that. So it has a lot of different little compartments, which I really appreciate. And like I said, you can put tons of different types of jewelry in here: necklaces, bracelets, earrings, pretty much whatever you want. So you can fit like rings and earrings in here, or, you know, put a little necklace in here. So this is gonna be so much more convenient when traveling now. I can just have everything in one little travel case instead of having tons of plastic baggies everywhere. So this item is very exciting. Okay, next product is a beauty product, and this is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So This stuff smells straight up like summer. I love watermelon scented things. I just think it makes me feel so like dewy and refreshed, and I just love the smell of watermelon. So I was very excited to see this, and I actually needed a new setting spray. I was running out of the one that I currently had, so I wanted to try a new one for summer. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. It's just this like pink bottle, and I don't know, I'm obsessed with this. It just has a little nozzle here. You can spray the product, and I just spray it on my face in like an X and then also in a T, and it helps cover my whole entire face and makes it feel refreshed and nice and set for the day. So it just helps keep my face nice and dewy and fresh, and like I said, this stuff smells absolutely amazing. So I'm really excited to put this in my bag and use it as a nice little setting spray, a nice little refreshing spray whenever I need one. So next item I got was a skincare product, and this is the Melon and Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. So moisturizer is another thing that I was running pretty low on, and I wanted to try a new one out. So I actually looked up the reviews on this, and it was really, really good. So I was very excited to try this out. This helps balance and hydrate your skin, and it has obviously vitamin E. It also has vitamin B5 and some fatty acids in it. So what I also like about this moisturizer is it nourishes my skin, which I really appreciate, really keeps it nice and moisturized. But the other thing is that it's super lightweight. I feel like a lot of moisturizers tend to be very heavy, and that's like my one pet peeve about moisturizers, is that they are super heavy. So this is a nice lightweight moisturizer. I have kind of like combination skin, and this does really well with my combination skin. So yeah, some days I'm like super oily, and then some days I have like dry like flakes and dry patches. It kind of depends on the day. So I like a moisturizer that can kind of deal with all of that. So I've been really enjoying this. So my next product is the Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. I have been really enjoying this product because I've had really bad pores. My pores are especially bad on my nose and on my cheeks, and I feel like I have never really used like a good like pore strip or anything like that. It's never been something that I've used. So I really wanted to try out a product that was focused on my pores. So I got this cleanser, and I love it so far. So this is actually for oily and combination skin, which like I said, I have combination skin, so this has been perfect. And it has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark, and it's just this nice like kind of like jelly cleanser. Okay, the next product I received is the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask, and the packaging is super cute. I don't own a lip mask. I've just never had one, and I have super chapped lips, and I like bite at my lips a lot. So I really need a good lip mask because my lips are just super red and chapped like all of the time. So yeah, I've never owned one. So I was very excited to see this. So this is a vegan and cruelty-free product, which is really awesome. And this is an overnight lip mask. So I'll just put this on my lips obviously before I go to bed, and then wake up the next morning and they are nice and moisturized. And this has shea butter and apricot oil in it as well. So this obviously helps hydrate your lips and brings a lot of moisture to your lips. So if you're like me and your lips are always completely chapped, I've been loving this before bed. I just feel like I've always put on like chapstick like just all the time throughout the day, and yes, it does help, but I think that I needed something a little bit more intensive than just a chapstick. So this definitely was a good solve for that. So I've been enjoying this product a ton, and this is great to just pack in an overnight bag as well if you are going on a trip or at a friend's house and you need a lip mask. Okay guys, I was so excited about this. So I'm moving into my own apartment soon, and I was very excited to bring this with me. And I saw this and I was like, I feel like I would totally use that. So I make guac all the time. So I got this. This is from AR and Cook, and it's a citrus squeezer. So I thought this would be perfect for like when I put lemons in my like guac. I always squeeze lemons. This is also great for like lemons and limes and stuff like that, but I feel like I always like to put lemon in my water, so just like squeezing a little bit of lemon in there, this would be great. Or especially when I make, like I said, my guacamole, I always put lemon in there, and I never have any kind of like citrus squeezer to get all of the lemon juice out. I just never had a citrus squeezer, and it was just something I never thought to get, but this is gonna be very, very useful. So it's just this green citrus squeezer, as you can see. It says it's BPA free, dishwasher safe, and safe for food use. So very exciting. Okay, last product I'm going to use today. I haven't used it yet, but I'm so excited to use it. And I will probably show you guys what it looks like in this, because I'm going to use this right after in this video. But it is so cute. It's a pineapple with tons of little mini pineapple cutouts for ice. I was like, this is adorable. So it's a pineapple shaped ice mold by the brand Blush. And yeah, it's just a silicone ice tray, and I love ice cubes. I love to have ice cubes in my water. I like my water to be super cold and refreshing, and I always have I have an ice tray in my like freezer. I always have like just like a normal ice tray. I've never had a fun one, so I'm very excited to have a fun pineapple ice tray. And like I said, I'm moving out soon, so I'm going to have a nice fine ice tray to use. So love this. I think it'll be super cool for the summer to, you know, put in any types of refreshing drinks that I make. I like to make like iced teas and stuff like that in the summer as well. So this is gonna be great to use, and again, I love it. All right guys, that was everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys are interested in getting your own FabFitFun box, my code is boutique. I will have it over here, so you can get a discount off your first box. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love making these videos. I think they're super fun. If you guys got your FabFitFun boxes yet, or you're getting yours soon, let me know which items you got or you chose. I love to see the different, you know, varieties of products that people get. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.